Good morning, everyone. I'm Esther. According to the latest survey by the foreign market research company, Strategy Analytics, the number of people with smartphones in the world has reached 3.95 billion, which is more than half of the world's total population. It's estimated that the total number of people with smartphones in the world will reach 5 billion after 2030. Therefore, today's smartphones are so developed. It's like a scaled-down version of a computer, and we often hear about its many benefits. So today, I'm going to tell you about 3 great benefits of using a smartphone. First, find information at any time. Second, share live events at any time. Third, contact others at any time. So to begin with, let's look at the first benefit of using the smartphone. As mentioned earlier, the development of smartphone is already very advanced, so it's convenient to use them to find information at any time. For example, before going to a new restaurant, we can check the evaluation to see how it is, and from the evaluation, we can know whether the service attitude and hygiene of the restaurant are good. This way you can avoid going to some bad restaurant. Now that you know the convenience of using a smartphone to look up information, let's take a look at the second point, how to use a smartphone to share live. In addition to querying information, smartphones can also be used to share live events at any time. If we take a great photo or find a great restaurant want to share with others, we can use social media apps such as Line, Facebook, and Instagram on our smartphones to share any happy or sad things with friends or family around us. You now know how to use your smartphone to share your life. And let's see the last benefit of using a smartphone, which is that you can contact others at any time. The emergence of smartphones has made communication develop. For example, family members, friends, and lovers who are separated from one another can meet because of the distance. Therefore, in addition to making calls, we can also conduct video chat through social media on our smartphones to get to know each other's recent situation. It's really convenient to have a smartphone to be able to communicate with each other without hindrance. Through the above description, we can understand that smartphones have many advantages in the application of life, and our discussion is now complete. I'm sure you are now agreed on these top 3 benefits of using a smartphone. First, query information at any time. Second, share live things at any time. Third, get in touch with others at any time. It's convenient to have a smartphone as long as we take advantages of its benefits and don't overuse it. I believe the smartphones can become a powerful assistance in our lives. My report is finished. Thank you for listening.